Hello, this is Laura. We're at SkipperBud's in Marblehead, Ohio, and we are looking at a brokerage listing. This is a 2020 Striper 230 dual console. Very pretty boat. We can see the hull is nice and shiny. Nice navy color with a nice little pop of red. This is a one-owner boat. It was purchased at a local marina nearby, and since the owners have had it, they've always kept it in our rack building, as you can see here. The hull just looks gorgeous. I don't see any dock rash or anything like that. Very low usage. This boat has been indoors in heated storage since it was new. It is powered with a Yamaha 250. It has a B60 transducer, Garmin GPS. It's well set up with electronics and nice upgrades, nice little sea decking there. Large cockpit space. Plenty of room to move about. We've got our rod holders on the side. These two seats can be removed to give you even more space. Nice hard top. The hard top has 4 rod holders on it. The bow seating is kind of unique and nice. It's got 2 different options for filler cushions. You can remove one of those, or you can remove both for a little bit versatile seating, which is really nice. It's got the upgraded sound system. Nice walk through, and there is a door that comes across so you can have a little wind block. This boat is rated for 10 people. We can see our helm laid out nicely there. Both the captain and the co-pilot chairs have bolsters, and they rotate all the way around. We have the 2 seats and the transom removed there so you can see, and we do have a live well on the port side. Very large head, which you can see. And below our helm, we have lots of storage space, as you can see. For more information on this boat or any other listings, please give us a call. We'd love to help you out.